Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.